to my channel, Electric Trekker Creations. Thank you for coming along with me today. I'm making some skulls for the Skull Sunday collaboration hosted by Kaz from the Dragon's Cave and Lula from Nerd Goblin Arts. I will link the playlist in the description below. I measured these two skulls with alcohol, and this one is 25 millilitres and this one is about 100 millilitres. Because I want to add these stones, I did 15 millilitres here and 75 millilitres here, and I'm hoping that that about works. So in this one, I want to add a couple of these glitters, and in this one, I only want to add the gold. So I'm just going to add the glitters to this now. I did stir it for 3 minutes. I know it says 5, but it's such a small amount. And because it's such a small amount, I'm trying to not put too much glitter in because I do actually want to be able to see the stones, and I'm probably putting far too much in. But I just want to give it a little bit of a sparkle. But it's not actually stones, it's actually shell. Then I'm going to add these shells to this. Now, as you can see, there's a lot more liquid than there is shells, which is fine, but you can actually see the glitter and the stones. So I did expect there to be more liquid than I needed for the skull, because I also want to then make some of these, which are little mushrooms. And if I still have too much, I have a mould on the side to help me. So to try and get mostly stones rather than just resin, I'm gonna do it like this. I obviously still want resin because that's what's going to stick all the stones together. But I measured this using alcohol, so that should help remove bubbles, and it evaporates, so that should help. I'm sure there is probably an easier way to do this that you're all shouting at me over. But this is how my brain worked it out, so sorry. Now, these shells are too heavy to float, and I did check that beforehand, so I'm just trying to fill it up totally. So I see Sheila from Reptiles and Resin doing this with scrappies all the time, and it always looks so interesting. I mean, okay, this isn't scrappies, but I'm happy with that. Let's leave that to one side for a second, and then we'll do this one again. It's just a suggestion of a sparkle. Now, let's move that there for the second. Now this one, oh, you see all the bubbles coming up in that? That's from all of the shells and all of the holes in the shells letting the air out, which is cool. And the fact that I filled these with alcohol first and there's still some alcohol should mean that should help release more air. Oh, I should say that the resin I'm currently using is the Resin Pro Eye Crystal, which is a 2-to-1 resin. Today's video is part of the Skull Sunday videos that is hosted by Lula from Nerd Goblin Arts and Kaz from the Dragon's Cave. Now then, let's see if I can pick this up and maybe remove some of the resin, because I want to put a bit more shell in, and to do that I need the resin not to run over, because that would be a bad thing. I just want to spray both of them with alcohol, just in case there are any more bubbles that are coming up and that need to be burst. So now I have a little bit of resin left of both counts. What I want is, I actually want slightly more glitter than is currently there. So in the skulls I literally just wanted there to be a little bit of a sparkle, but in the mushrooms I want it to be quite in your face, the sparkle. I'm using this bottle for resin, and you could be mistaken for being worried that it's one use, but once I've used it, what I can actually do is clean it out with alcohol, and then it is reusable. I'm gonna spray in here. Let's just see if I can do it with this. I'm going to use a micro brush to go in and hopefully get out any bubbles that might be on the bottom. I've not done these yet, so I don't actually know what they look like. Just in case there's any lips that I forgot to get any bubbles out on. I'm actually going to move these to my G3 to cure, so they'll be done in about 2 hours, which will be great, and I will be back when this is done. Hello, this should all be dry now. Not dry, cured. Let's do the mushrooms. I don't know how hard these will be to take out, because as I said, I've never done these before. Oh, that's cool. There's a little bit silly. Oh, those are cool. So the glitter has risen to the top, but that's really cool because then the mushroom head is a different colour to the stalk. I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. If you're not currently subscribing, please consider doing so. Just need to click the button below this video. It doesn't cost you anything, and it would mean the world to me because it'll help my channel grow. This one. Moulds, which is awesome. I do like that. Trim some of this off. Back the right way round. And for some reason this one's a little squidgy. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to take it out. It's still really squidgy. It's been in the G3 for 4 hours, and this is the next day, and it's still squidgy. So the resin was the tail end, and I'd had it open for quite a long time. So that's a shame. Okay, so that's a miss. Now what I'd intended to do with this and with this one was to attach the mushrooms to the head, kind of like horns. I've cleared that, cleaned up, so now I'm just gonna choose how I want. So I'm just gonna very quickly buff up the bases of these to give the glue something to stick to. No! God damn it! God damn it! If you're enjoying the video, please consider clicking the like button or leaving a comment. It would be wonderful, thank you. I think this has turned out beautifully. I'm actually really happy with that. And yeah, hey, welcome back. This is the amorphous blob that was the skull. And even several days later, it's still squidgy. So that was never savable. And then my skull here, I've decided I want to put some moss on it to make it look more like a moss crown. Hope you enjoy being with me while I do that. Get some tweezers because I don't want to touch the moss with the glue. I've already stuck my fingers together more than once with this stuff. So I'm going to put, hopefully, a little bit of glue around there. Pick this up, drop it on, hold it down, maybe put the glue on the moss instead. Now what I want to try and do, a bit of moss that comes down and around the eye. Going to leave that to dry, and then I will get you some glamour shots. But there we are.